Same way the beke be abu. So most spell abu dini wrong in kwa there's a muja abu. And you know. So when you are dini wrong in kwa mo documents the munkwa the abu as a muja abu. Abu for lawyer papa no munja on away the nyawa. If they had your name wrong in kwa their bylaw no be you. That one all the lawyers for this world inside know say if you catch a criminal way, you catch the criminal way, you spell your name wrong on the docket and you know. Unless wanna get some special evidence where they show say if you know one emotion, na didn't wrong keke. Until that one they wanna for free. Wanna boy abu. Moon free norm sambra na me yen to us on where Jimmy do. Na sisi e chine so akwa yare na 3 days ye chine yes ya bu yare 3 days ya yare abu mo free abu na mo mbra bonte na mensan ye ne nka ho pa cho abu hunji abu na so do for class ye friends e meeting bag ba so do pa cho mo free ni why e di ni wrong dia mo free mi nwa keto an why we Jimmy do